This watermelon won't know what hit it.
I love our Tuesdays together, Dad.
Don't you two have a list of chores to do?
Hey, we just took care of that dangerous melon that was threatening our garden.
Yeah, we're heroes. But where's our parade? All right, open stuck drawer. Ready? It's hopeless.
Or is it?
Yeah, it's hopeless.
I said, or is it?
I said it's... Oh.
Homer, what are you doing?
Listen, do you want the job done right, or do you want it done fast?
Well, like all Americans, fast, but...
Clear!
You can't argue with results.
Ooh, baby!
Oh, don't worry. You'll be sleeping in this beautiful new doghouse. Target date, January 2007. And now, the grand finale. Get Lisa's jam tape out of VCR. Wait a minute. There. Fire in the hole! It's gonna take a lot of fireworks to clean this place up.
What's going on here?
Honey, there's a point in every father's life when he blows up his daughter's room.
Oh, yeah? You didn't blow up Maggie's room.
Oh, Lisa, this must be a rough time for you. Do you have any friends or family you can stay with?
You've ruined all my stuff.
Oh, come on. Tell us how we can make it up to you. Hey, pretend it's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
That's the spirit. Now, what do you want to do?
Well, the book festival starts today.
Anything at all. You name it. What do you want to do?